Hello, everyone. Today, I'm sharing a review of MetaGPT X, also known as MGX, an impressive AI platform that acts like a full software development team at your command. Imagine describing what you want in plain language and watching an AI team handle planning, coding, documentation, and deployment, almost like having a real dev squad instantly available. MetaGPT X is essentially the next evolution of MetaGPT, but taken to a more powerful, production-ready level. You provide a one-line description of your idea, and MGX takes over. It breaks down the task like a project manager, assigns roles, product manager, architect, developer, tester, and uses a multi-agent system to handle each part in a structured way. It's not just AI writing code, it's a simulated software company translating ideas into working apps. What's especially exciting is the team runs around the clock, available 24/7 to turn your prompts into code, design, documentation, and deployment. In many ways, it feels like handing your idea to a team and genuinely watching it come to life without writing a single line yourself. One reviewer summed it up simply saying, "MGX is amazing. It writes code, organizes tasks, and works like a real team. I just sit back and watch the magic happen. Feels like I'm the boss." That kind of user experience really captures what makes this platform so compelling. That said, it's not perfect yet. Some users note that context handling and integration with existing tools still need improvement. Rare errors and occasional inaccuracies can happen, especially when requirements are ambiguous or complex. So, while the results are impressive, a human touch is still valuable for polishing, testing, and refining. At its core, MetaGPT X uses the principles and research behind MetaGPT, a multi-agent framework that uses a software company as AI model. It applies structured workflows and standardized operating procedures, assigning specialized roles to various agents so complex tasks are broken down and handled systematically. It's not just AI writing code, it's a simulated software company translating ideas into working apps. What's another benefit is how scalable it is. Because each agent handles a specific part of development, you can swap agents in and out, upgrade pieces of the system, or expand the workflow to cover more functionality, all without breaking the whole setup. This modular design is part of what makes MGX visionary in the world of agent-driven systems. Of course, for developers and teams, this means a huge productivity boost. If MGX can handle creation of prototypes, automating documentation, even deploying working code, it frees up human developers to focus on higher-level strategy, optimization, and quality. It's a partnership model. AI handles the scaffolding while humans refine the masterpiece. Still, because it's new, you'll need to have a clear prompt and plan for how you want MGX to work. The better the input, the better the outcome. And while pricing and access details aren't always public, many expect a free or trial tier for basics, with advanced or enterprise-grade usage coming under paid plans. Overall, MetaGPT X represents a major step forward, bridging the gap between idea and working application with minimal coding. It's not just AI assistance, it's AI orchestration. It has limitations, sure, but it also opens the door to a future where one-line prompts become real, functioning software. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.